beauties, it's your girl Fabulously Nappy, and I'm back with another video. Thank you for tuning in. If it's your first time here, please be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell beside it to turn on your post notifications so that you do not miss the next uploads. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in again. I'm so grateful to you guys. So first off, please do not mind my voice. I'm a little sick right now, but I'm in recovery, so please don't mind that. So my hair is wrapped. I did the African threading to stretch my hair so that this style can go a little bit smooth. So I'm just going ahead to unravel the hair. Before doing the threading, I had washed my hair. No, I did my regular wash day, deep condition, like shampoo, deep condition, and all that, and I moisturized my hair as well. And hey, that's my neighbor. She kind of helped me to get this done, handing me the braiding hair and all. So shout out to her. So my hair was freshly washed, and I moisturized it before doing the threading. So I decided not to unravel everything because I'll be working from the back going to the front, so I don't want moisture to cause the hair to shrink or for the hair to tangle, because I definitely didn't do this hair in one day. So I don't want any tangling or anything like that, so I just unraveled the hair as I went up. So that's my hair stretched out without heat. So I'm just going to start parting from the back. Of course, I'm going to try to get each part as clean as possible. I'm using less jam to clean that part up. Just apply it to the part and then try to clean it up, get it as crisp, clean as possible. So the video itself is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just gonna hop in every now and then to say a few things, but other than that, I'm gonna let you guys watch. Enjoy! next day in the morning. So the next day in the morning, I was tired the night before. So tired. So this is what I was able to do. I started with triangles, but then I realized that was going to take me a whole lot of time. So I just decided to switch to squares from the second row right to the end. Because, those ones go a little bit faster. So I'm just going to keep braiding. So I'm just going to remind you guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button right now. And also click on the thumbs up button and like the video. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far. And if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions, please be sure to leave a comment down in the comment section, and I'll be there to respond. So I decided to work on one side first. This side you see me twisting up. So I went to section of the other side first, and I didn't want the right side getting in the way, so I had to put it in a twist while I sectioned out the left side. That made it easier. I sectioned and braided, so that just made everything easier. I'm sorry the angle wasn't the very best. I'm sorry. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Section and braid. Move to the other side, section and braid. Everything it's self-explanatory. You're gonna see yourself. So please keep watching, like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the video. So I know you guys are probably thinking, damn, she takes too much time on parting. Yes, I do, because, well, your braids are only as good as your parts. Pretty much so. If your parts aren't clean, aren't straight, aren't crisp, then you're gonna have braids looking like, I don't know, they're just gonna be all over the place. And that's not a good look. So I do take my time for my hair and for my clients as well. Yes, I do braids. I'm a braider. So I'm going to leave my link down in the description box. Just check the business links to book an appointment. So when I'm doing my hair or my client's hair, I will make sure that I do my very best to part their hair as clean as I can, because that adds the overall neatness of the braids. Just helps everything look pulled together. And that's really cute. So pardon me for taking time, but that's just what I do. Okay, so for this braid, you see me reducing the braid pieces in half. That's because this front hair, my hair in the front is not very thick, so if I put in large pieces of braiding hair, it's just gonna be bulky, and I don't want that. So I'm reducing each piece in half and adding them gradually, I guess. Yes, I'm adding them gradually, piece after piece, just so that the hair grows gradually, it doesn't just bulge out. I hope that makes sense. So I'm just zooming in on me tucking my hair. A protective style is meant to protect your hair, so tucking is a must. Whether it's my hair or my client's hair, tucking is a must. So I'm just applying more of that jam. I'm using Let's Jam, the green jar I showed you guys earlier. So I'm just applying that onto the ends of my hair to smoothen it out so that, the tucking process is easier. And then I'm just adding in that last piece of hair there because, the braid was starting to get small. Since, my hair was getting done, I was almost done with the tucking part. So I just added that piece of hair there to maintain the size. And then I'm going to continue braiding down. Okay, so guys, I am done. I'm not done, but on that last braid. My braiders know once you hit that last braid, the feeling is something else. So I was just so happy that I was almost done. On that last braid, I decided to do triangles in the front, just to add some design. And then the section, like the hair that was left, I had to either split it in 3 and do squares, or split it in 2 and do triangles. So considering I wanted to get done, I chose the triangles. So here I am doing triangles in the front. That's the very last braid. So I'm just braiding as I normally would. Split my natural hair into 3, braid 1 round first, feeding hair gradually as I braid down, and also making sure to tuck the hair. As you can see, for the other sides my hair is tucked. The other braids I've done, I did my very best to make sure I tuck in my natural hair. So I'm just gonna keep doing that. I'm applying more jam to smoothen the hair to make tucking easier. So I'm just gonna keep doing that and let you guys watch. Okay, beauties, I'm just braiding this last braid down to the end. I didn't complete the other ones. I was just, I just braid and leave it halfway. So this one I'm braiding and checking the length. That's what I'm doing right now. Yeah. When I take it out of my mouth, I'm checking the length to make sure, it's as long as I want it. So after braiding, my friend was around, so I asked her to help me, complete the braids, and then we're done in less than no time. I am sorry I didn't record the finishing, but what I did was, after the braiding, I trimmed it, dipped it in water, put mousse on the hair, and then did my edges and applied some sheen spray on it, and I was done. I'm just going to show you guys some clips of the finished hair ahead, but yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a suggestion on which color I should do next. I've done blue and pink. Which color should I do next? Let me know down below. So thank you guys for watching. If you've watched till this point, I'm so grateful. Leave a comment down below to say hi so I know you watched till this point. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time.